Get the gasket, you Matt. Got it?
Seems like you're going to do it anyway. Hey man, God, show us something in there. Pretty please. Yeah, boy.
Well, the gasket fit, and if we get all the bolts tight, we'll be doing something. I guess I'll tighten this bottom bolt back here.
I wouldn't tighten just yet.
Oh, I'm not.
There it is.
There's a light.
Can't we tell? Yeah, it's still good. Remember, Matt, what a washer and a gasket for. So you gonna call your head a accomplishment?
Yeah, you can see. Well, this is on there. It just needs another bolt in there somewhere.
He about forgot about it, and you remember.
You can't leave it out.
We gotta take one of them back out.
How's that?
Put the dipstick back in.
I didn't think about that one now.
Somewhere in the middle, I guess. I don't remember. Probably one. Go back in.
That dude didn't cross there like that. I don't think it's... Yeah, of course. Yeah, that ain't gonna try.
Bebo drink, huh?
Who's that?
Hello? There you go, Matt. Say something to the people.
Yeah.
All the bolts is in it. And it's got a dipstick. Pretty good for a header install.
All the bolts except for one.
Oh, it won't bolt didn't go?
Nope.
Oh.
Oh well.
Yeah.
If it leaks, it leaks.
It's used headers. And gaskets.
No, gasket in there.
No, I mean it's to blame the gasket in the
Oh, yeah.
head. That head about straightened up, though.
Well, straighten up.
Could be that bolt too where the main end is boogered up.
No, it's trying to start it like that. I hold it like that. If you try to start like that, it ain't never gonna fucking go.
No, that's got it though.